MGM Rewards FREEPLAY common redemption issues and fixes. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, PIN problems. Make sure page requires a 4-digit PIN. Make sure you have the 4-digit PIN. Another, what you can do to fix is you can reset the PIN, bring valid ID to an MGM Rewards desk, and reset. Another, using the wrong kiosk. Use an MGM Rewards kiosk as stated. And another issue may be not activating. Make sure you activate on the machine. And to fix that, follow the exact activate enter sequence shown on the activation page. Another issue can be wrong redemption path. Make sure you choose the method that matches your destination and machine as listed. Another issue may be offer selection. Make sure you select the correct promotion icon, menu items, and confirm redemption. And this is MGM Rewards FREEPLAY common redemption issues and fixes. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.